do, big fam? Big Hurt back in the kitchen once again with a cooking video for y'all. And today we're gonna be doing some smothered liver and onions. You hear me? So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, tap that bell right beside the subscribe button, hit all so you'll be notified every single time I post a video. And we're gonna jump straight into the video today. Well, first off, we got our trusty dusty cast iron skillet on the stove with a little oil in the bottom, you know. And we finna turn that on, get that heated up, and then we finna get our we finna flour our liver with seasoning flour, and we're gonna get back right back with y'all. Get it together, Hurt. All right, y'all, I got my liver seasoned and floured, and I just seasoned it with some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Got my grease hot right here, and we're finna go throw this liver down. It don't take that long for it to fry. I only got 4 pieces, I'm gonna do 2 at a time. You only let it fry like a minute and a half to 2 minutes on each side. It don't take that long. It's long enough to brown up that flour. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so it's ready to flip already. Fried up, and then we're gonna be on to making it gravy. I'll be back. All right, take the 2 pieces, let me come out. Here goes how they look. I'm finna make this gravy and finna smother them down. Yeah. We're finna get this gravy started, and we're gonna have the fire on like a medium. And we're gonna use the same oil that was left over from frying the liver, which was about, I'll say about a half a cup of oil if you want to measure. We'll sprinkle in our flour. We're gonna brown this up until you get to the desired brownness that you want. And when you get to that level, whatever color you want your gravy, then you throw down your onions. And I already chopped my onions up. Just got them like in some like 2-inch string cuts, I'll say. And you can't leave this when you're making the gravy. You gotta stay here and keep stirring. So don't have nothing important that you have to do. If you burn it, you gotta throw it away. You don't want no burnt gravy. So when you get to where I want to be, I'm gonna be back to throw these onions down. Yeah. Alright, y'all. It's looking good. I think I might leave it about right there. So we finna season it. And it's still bubbly, but it's gonna smooth out. Season your gravy a little bit with onion powder, a little accent, and a little bit of slap your mama. We're gonna put a lot at the beginning because we don't want to over salt it. Get that stirred in. said, if you ain't sneezing, you ain't sneezing. I know that was a cough, but it was almost a sneeze and turned into a cough from that season. Yes, sir. Get all that season dissolved down in it. Alright. When they go a little longer, then we'll be back for the finish of it. Alright, now we're gonna turn off the fire. We're gonna throw these onions in. Yeah, I should have separated them before I turned the camera on, huh? Let me separate these onions, y'all, and I'll be back. There go all my onions I threw down in there. Y'all them covered in the gravy. Yeah, and turn the fire on. We're also gonna add some water to this. Get it all smoothed out and everything all nice and creamy. Yeah. And I'm finna add it to the pot with my liver. And the liver already done, so I ain't gonna cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes, if that long. And we're gonna have some liver and onions, y'all. It's that simple. We'll be back in a little bit. Yeah. Alright, y'all, I got my gravy at a good color that I want. You know, I add my water to it. Got all my onions in there. Boy, y'all ought to smell this. It smells so good. And it's at the consistency that I want. I done tasted it also. It got no seasoning in it. So now, I'm gonna add the liver back in. I was gonna put it in my pot. But I think I can get it all to fit in here. Let's do it like that. I think I can get it. Hope so. It'll be good enough. That's how I'm gonna do it. Cover it on one side, flip it on the other side. That's all. So for a little piece. But it was good too. I can just get you some gravy. Make sure it's all coated. Make sure the liver all coated. And I get some good old liver and onion. Good old onions down there. I'm gonna get a bigger spoon so I can really scoop some. It's doing alright. But yeah, y'all get the gist of it though. Cover all your liver. Make sure it's covered with the gravy. Then just throw your top on there, let it simmer for about another 5 minutes maybe. Just for it to soak up that good gravy. And there it is. Y'all tell me how that look. Some good old liver, onion, and gravy. Yes, sir. I guess hopefully I remember this time when I plate up to come back and show y'all. Cause I'm not finna eat yet, but yeah. And y'all like, share, comment, subscribe just in case I forget to come back. Do that for your boy. And you got some good old liver, onions. smothered liver and onion gravy. Yes, sir. Big hurt way. Yeah, y'all. There go my mashed potatoes and gravy. My liver and onions. Yeah. And leftover piece of Mexican casserole. What y'all think about that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's grub time. Big hurt on the checkout. Yeah.